Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Pune? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Pune. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Apti Academy. Apti Academy is one of the best coaching institutes for SSC preparation in Pune. This academy was established in 2014. More than 200 students have successfully cleared various competitive examinations from this institute. In addition to this, they help students by providing interactive and communicative methods to make their basic knowledge strong. They have also created innovative techniques to measure and improve the performance and progress of the students. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details of Apti Academy. The address of Apti Academy includes Apti Academy, office number 3, 5th floor, The Forum, above Ranka Jewellers, Padmavati, Pune, Satara Road, Pune, 411009. Their contact number includes 9370557007. Okay, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure for SSC coaching is rupees 15,000 and this is for 3.5 months. And the batch size of the institute includes 20 to 22 students in a batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Learnopedia Academy for competitive examination. Learnopedia Academy is one of the top coaching for SSC in Pune. This is on number 4 in the list of best coaching institute list of SSC in Pune. Moreover, Learnopedia provides flexible batch timings for students' convenience. Standard study material provides which is designed and reviewed by the experts. In addition to this, online and offline both test series are provided by the academy. Highly qualified and experienced trainers are there to guide the students. Learnopedia provides interview preparation session to the students as well. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of Learnopedia Academy for competitive examinations include Swargate, Satara Road, 1st floor, office number 101, Pushpa Prestige, above Puma showroom, opposite City Pride Multiplex, Pune. Their contact number is 808-700-8456. Okay, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 6,900 and this is for SSC coaching of 2.5 months. And the batch size of the institute includes 20 to 30 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Time Institute, that is Trimfit Institute of Management Education. Time is well-known institute for SSC coaching in Pune. It provides high-quality education to the students. They charge very reasonable fee. Further, Time provides best study material and also provides test series to the students. Time also provides coaching classes for other competitive examinations included banking, CAT, GATE, etc. Time is on 5th position in the list of top best coaching for SSC in Pune. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of Time Institute in Pune includes 3rd floor Soham Complex above Hotel Shiv Sagar, DP Road, Audh Ragdari Society, Aundh, Pune, Maharashtra 411007. Their contact number is 020-66206546. Okay, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the SSC coaching fee is including a sum of rupees 7,000 and this is for 4 to 5 months. The batch size is quite high, that is 100 to 120 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Pune. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.